You don't need to travel far into the bush to find trout around the Front Range of Colorado. There are plenty of places in urban settings to catch trout and have a good time fly fishing. That is, as long as you don't mind the sounds of people and cars, as well as fishing in a fishbowl while people watch you. Spring has arrived, and the trout are beginning to wake up from their winter slumber, so I head to a nearby city to fish a spot that can produce some good fish and fun. I've seen some pretty big lake run trout in this section of this creek. Let's see if there's any around today. I don't know if it's late enough in the year for that yet, but we'll see. Oh, got one. That's pretty tough. Nope. Ooh. Nice little rainbow trout. Came out. Nice. That guy. Really nice looking. That one was caught on a trusty old olive perdigon. Pretty small one. I think it was size 18. Doing a little urban fly fishing today. It's getting a lot warmer, so it's just about time for fly fishing to get pretty good. Haven't been pretty busy with life. Haven't really posted a new video in a while. One of my dogs, I had to pull one of my dogs down, so I was pretty sad about that for a while. My first dog. It was pretty hard to get over putting down your first dog. Then I got sick after that, and work's been crazy, so finally able to get back out doing some fishing. It's supposed to get windy today, so I decided to stay a little bit closer to home. I came up here fishing this little inlet. There's a bigger lake down this way. Seeing if there's any lake run fish coming up this river here. Sometimes there's some pretty big fish that come out of that lake in this little creek. Might need a bigger point fly if I want to fish this faster stuff. Maybe I'll tie on like a big stone fly or something. I hear trout up here are starting to bite on stonefly. Got it. That was a good bite. and hooked himself. Nice little rainbow. There he is. It's little rainbow. That guy hit on a Jack Daniels. I think it's a size 16. I think it looks kind of like a pheasant tail nymph, so that's usually a good bet. Oh, that's a nice one. Did a little fly change, got a little deeper. Oh man, this guy's running. I knew there was something in that one, in that bend right there. Ooh, that is a decent fish from this river. Oh, look at that. It's a nice one. I don't even know what that guy bit on. I'll have to review the footage. He unhooked himself. It's kind of like a undercut bank right here with some cover. Oh yeah, another one. This is the spot, man. Oh, they're hitting this thing. Can't remember what it's called. I'll put a picture of it up here. A nice one. Another nice fish. This one's nice and golden. There's fish in this spot. That seam right under this bush. Oh, that's a rock. Guess I don't want to get too close to that bush. There's another snag. Oh, that's a fish. Why is he fighting so hard? Man, this spot is cooking. This guy was all stuck in the rocks. That's why I felt like a snag. Another one on that fly that looks like a pheasant-tail nymph. Well, I'm encouraged by all the fish I caught out of this little hole. I'm gonna head towards the lake more. See if I can find some bigger fish that way. That'd be cool. Alright, we're really close to the lake now. See if we can catch some fish near this inlet. Got one. I felt that got biting. Where's he at? There he is. He's not ready to come in. Got him. Another one on this. Why? Looks like he unhooked himself. Nice one. This is the scene towards the lake. So I'm gonna head back to where I was. It's a little bit more secluded. All right. I just went and checked out the lake. There's quite a lot of people down there, and it's a lot windier. The wind coming off the lake is pretty bad, so hiked all the way back here. Might as well come back to it. I gotta leave in probably like an hour or so. I'd rather spend that time down here. I did catch one fish down by the lake, so wasn't a wasted walk. What was that? Oh my gosh. Did one of those ducks just attack another one? There was a brown duck that's missing. Oh, there she is. Dang, these two are still going at it. Right over my seam. I'm gonna guess all the fish here are scared now. I mean, I had the worst luck with ducks up here in this river. There's the winner. The loser is over here all by himself. Dude, can I fish in peace? Oh, got a little guy. Hello, Brown. I think it's a brown. This guy's pretty. With these clouds moving in, it's reminding me that it's not quite summer yet. I am not dressed for any chilly weather. I'm getting pretty cold. It was 80 today, but we are up in the mountains, so once that sun goes down, it's going to get pretty cold. Oh hey, here's the female duck. Is she injured? Did she lose an eye? I still see it moving. Can I fish here? Very weird behavior from these ducks. Oh, here's the other one. Oh, come on. It literally ran into my fly line. God, these two guys are fighting still? And why are they following me? Oh my god. There's the female. Are they fighting over this female? Come on, guys. I don't want to see this. You serious? Are you serious? These ducks are following me all the way up to the footbridge. At least it looks like he flew away. Ooh, whoa, that guy's crazy. It's a little rainbow. There it is, a little rainbow. It's gonna do it for me. It's a good day fishing. Caught a few nice trout, one really good one. But it was a fun day. That's what matters. Good to get out here again after a stressful couple months I've had. So that's urban fly fishing for you. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time.